Yeah, buy Refinable, they say. Oh yeah, you're fucking 100 extra money, they say. First off, it doesn't come out when the time it says it'll come out. You just didn't come out at the right time. Kept refreshing the page. Comes out 10, 15 minutes later, and then it still doesn't come out. And then you still can't buy it at the right time. Then I just keep on refreshing the page. Then, um, I don't know, put your slippage at 49%, they say. Just keep on hitting, refreshing the page. Then finally I bought some, super overpriced when it finally went through. And then I was like, I got to get rid of this. I can't keep this. I got to sell it before the price drops. I bought like, then it doesn't let me sell it. It doesn't let me sell it. It just says approving. It doesn't let me sell it. And then now I can't even find it to sell it here now. Look, I can't find it to sell it. It's not there to sell. It's not there to sell. Pankcakeswap sucks. Mr. Beast sucks. I mean, that guy's a big scam. I should have known this thing was going to be a big, huge scam. I can't even sell it back. I was trying to sell it back the whole time right after I bought it. I've been trying to sell it back. Like as soon as I bought it, as soon as the transaction went through, I seen I overpaid. I said, I got to sell it right back. And now it doesn't even, oh, it finally popped up. It finally fucking pops up now after 2 hours. What? Now it's saying I don't have it. No, I have to go here. So I get fucking screwed, huh? What the fuck's going on here? No, I don't have no money. I don't have Refinable. I don't got no Binance tokens. Pankcakeswaps, bro. It sucks. I'll never do a token release again. Never do it. Like, oh man, these YouTubers talk me in. I'm a financial advisor. I should have known better. Mr. Beast, he's so fake. All the stuff he gives away in the video, it's all just promotion. He takes it right back. It's not even his to give away. It's just fake. It's fake stuff. He doesn't give nothing away. It all gets returned. It's just for YouTube views. And I think he's part of the Illuminati too. I mean, I think he must be part of to get that many views and stuff. I think he sold his soul to the devil. And Pankcakeswap sucks. I can't sell my fine. I'm gonna take like I don't know, probably 75% loss when I could sell this shit. No. Oh, well, I sold all my Safe Moon to get this shit. Safe Moon fucking tanked today, so I don't really care. I sold all my Safe Moon, but I would rather have tanking Safe Moon than this garbage stuff. I can't sell it. Now, if finally it popped back up, oh, I can sell it now. Now I can sell it. Oh, look, it finally lets me sell it at the hugest, biggest fucking loss. Yeah. Sell it for not even a quarter of the price that I bought it for. Fucking garbage. And finally, an hour after, oh, it still doesn't work. It still doesn't fucking work. Right? Can I do? Yeah, of course you can't do it. Still doesn't fucking work. No, approving again. Still approving. Can't sell it. Can't sell it. I'm gonna take a huge loss, 75% loss. And it's 75% loss and it goes to approving again. Still won't let me sell it. Pankcakeswap is a joke. Pankcakeswap is a joke. Fine is a joke. Don't ever go for token sales again. I mean, this is my first time trying to do a token sale, and this shit, I lost 75% of my money. This was like, I didn't put that much money into it because I figured this might happen. I figured something crazy might happen. I was like, oh, so let me do a test. I'm just going to start with like one Binance coin, just one coin and see what happens. And still, that's like $600 I lost $600. I'm glad I didn't put no more money into it, but oh man, the stock market's more safe than this. And I'm a financial advisor. I never got screwed out of the stock market like this. But let me know in the comments if you're having problems like this, and if you are, hopefully you didn't get screwed out of more money than I did. I mean, this is a test, and I'll never do another pre-token sale on a Uniswap again because their whole site didn't work. The token didn't come out at time. The site wasn't working. Nothing works. I can't even sell the token back. It's gonna be 3 cents by the time I sell it back. It was up at $8, $9. I bought it for $8 or $9. It seems like, yeah, put 49% slippage, and I was refreshing the page every single second. But then I hit transaction. Oh, the transaction failed. Transaction. So that money took like 2 or 3 seconds. The first two transactions I did, it said failed. I was like, transaction failed. Oh, click it in. Click it again. Then it went through like the third time, but still it was like 5 seconds. Then all of a sudden I bought it. I don't know what price I bought it at, but it's crazy. This is fine is garbage. Garbage token, garbage team, Pankcakeswap sucks. I cussed them out at Twitter. I think they blocked me because they didn't let me sell it. And now it says approving. This one did the first time. I was selling it as I was actually going to sell it, and I was going to get my Binance money back. It was like 1.1 I was selling it back for. And it just said approving. It said approving for an hour. And then it stopped. And then the whole token, then the whole fine token disappeared. And then now it's back, and now it's doing this stupid ass approving thing again, and it ain't gonna go through. So, yeah, I'm getting screwed. Mr. Beast is a fake. He has no talent. All he does is give away money that ain't his. That's it. That's all I got. Never do token release sales. Pankcakeswap sucks. I'm still waiting to sell it. It still ain't sold. I thought that was the end of the video, but no, it still ain't sold. An hour later, it's ongoing. It wouldn't have been that bad if it would just let me sell. I wouldn't have been mad at 70% losses, 50% losses. Now I'm at 25% loss. It's going to go back down to under $1 probably. Ridiculous, not letting me sell. Now it's stuck at approving again. It's just approved, stuck.